Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a collective haul for you. It's a pretty long haul, so get some popcorn, get something to drink, and let's jump right into it. I'm gonna start this haul with the Dollar Zone items, and I got these Bakersfield sprinkles sugar pearls, and I got the rainbow blue and silver. I also got the sand and sugar in the same brand, and I got the green, silver, purple and pink. And I think these are such a great deal because these are super expensive in the supermarket, and seeing that I use these a lot for my cookies and cupcakes, these will come in handy. I love using these multi-purpose scrubbers to clean my pots and my pans and even my sink. What I do is I cut one of these sheets, these scrubbers, in 4, so that way I'll get a better bang for my buck. And I just picked this UFO brand set up from Dollar Zone, and it comes with 10 pieces, so each piece I'm gonna cut into 4, so it's gonna last me a little longer. I have a few organization videos I should have up pretty soon, and I picked up a few organization bins. I got this white caddy. These are a repeat buy, and I picked up these round baskets, these storage baskets. I picked up 1 in the blue and 2 in the tan, and I'm going to be using the blue ones in my fridge and the tan ones on my, I think I should say, bookshelf / pantry. Sticking to the organization bins, I got these slimmer bins. I got 2 in the blue, and these are pretty deep, and 2 in the tan. Also in the larger ones into these, and these are angled at the bottom. It's not rectangular to the bottom as much, it's more tapered. I just got the larger ones in those, and as I said before, the blue ones are going in my fridge and the tan ones on my makeshift pantry. And I got 1 of the blue and 2 of the. I also got 2 of this shallow baskets as well, and these are also tapered slightly to the bottom, and these are a little wider than the previous ones I showed. And the last set of bins I got is these paper trays, and I picked up 2 of the tan ones, and I think I'll be using these for my cans because I don't really use that much canned food, so I'll be placing those in this. Onto the crafty stuff from Dollar Zone. I picked up some of this pom-poms to do some crafts with my daughter, and these come with 48 in each pack, and it has pink, yellow, red and blue. And I also picked up a 2-pack of the basket bags, and this is Easter theme, but I didn't get a chance to use it for Easter, so I'll be using this probably next year. And also another pack of the craft sticks, and this is 80 craft sticks. I picked up a few signs, and as I said before, I picked these up for Easter, but I'm not going to be using them as Easter signs. I got this one. I love the shape of this sign, and it says Happy Easter with the bunny and the faux wood look. This is MDF board, and I'll be using these for some DIYs. Also in this one as well, like this one says every bunny welcome, and I love the detailing, how it makes it look rustic and aged and old. And also this one that says welcome to our home. So stay tuned to see what I do with these signs. I did pick up one of these bunnies, and I would be using this in a DIY probably next year. I didn't get a chance to use it this year, or probably I just might take it apart and use the bottom to do some type of wreath. I found some new frames and also some of these, and I picked up one of this. They had two types, and this one says a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. I love the saying on this, but I'm not too fond of the background. And it comes with the picture hanging thing to the back. You can take this out. You can take the fabric out by removing the staples and just using the board below. It's not wood, it's MDF as well, and you can do so much DIYs with these, and that's what I plan to do with these. So I think I'll go back and get another one. And I got two of these frames, and these are 5x7 frames, but I'll also be using these for a DIY. And last, from Dollar Zone, I just picked up a 30 sheet tracing paper, and I'm gonna be using this for a DIY light box for when I take pictures for my cookies and my cupcakes and my food, or even some of my crafts. And I'm not sure, but I might do a video on that once it comes out as how I want it to. So this is the end of the Dollar Zone haul. Onto the next store. I got two of these garden trellis, or I should say, yeah, these garden edging, that's what it says here. And I can't remember what store I picked these up at, but yeah. And I picked up two. I'm not too crazy about the flower. As you can tell, this one came out, so I'm gonna pop this out and I'm gonna do a DIY with these. I got a few of these wooden rulers also for a DIY, and I ran out of hot glue, so I picked some of that up as well. I also picked up some of this contact paper, and I know you can't really see it that well because of my background here. It's kind of blending in, but it's this cool marble look, something totally different from what I have accustomed seeing. So I just picked up one of this. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but when I do, I'm definitely gonna post it. I got a few more signs, and I think I picked these up at 10 Stop Home Decor in Couva. I got some of these. I think I got 5 of these this size, and I think this is a 8x10. I'm not sure, or probably a 5x7. Not sure, but anyway, I got this one that says coffee, latte, mocha, espresso, hot chocolate, best quality. 2 of this one that says since coffee 1876, and it has the cute little mug, coffee cup with coffee written all over it, and then the coffee beans. I got 2 of those. I also got 2 of this one that says coffee always fresh, coffee since 1936, and I love the forward look that it has on it, with a cute coffee, the cute teacup that has the hot coffee and the spoon, and the vintage looking saucer and cup as well. And then this one that says Lake Memories Last a Lifetime. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these as is, which I don't think so. At least not all of those that I have double of, like these. I'm gonna probably keep 2 as is and then use 2 for a DIY. And last but not least, I got a whole lot of greenery. I got some of this. I just love these. When I saw them, I had to get them. I got 3 bunches. I think they were 3 bunches for one price. I think I paid $35 for 3 bunches. And these look like lilacs or lavender flowers. Lavender, that's what I was going for, lavender. With the, you know, the little stems. So as I said, I picked up 3. Not sure where the other one is. I got 2 of these, and I just love this green flower that it has on it, and it looks like it has like these little boxwood stems. I think these are boxwood, but I'm not sure. Oh, it's right here, third one. I got 3 of these as well. I only found 1 of this, and I just love how well it went with these. These went pretty well together, especially if you put this in a vase. This would be a cute little floral arrangement. And I got 2 of these tall stems as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of this haul. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I would see you in the next one. Bye guys.